Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to download and install Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11. So firstly open any web browser, then guys here type Epic Games Launcher and click on this first link epicgames.com. Now guys here click on download Epic Games Launcher. Now once you download successfully, double click on this setup file. Now click on install. Click on yes. It will ask permission, so click on yes. After installation, click on start. So like this guys, you can install Epic Games Launcher on your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.